So today I'll show you how to enable the always on display on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra does not come with a built-in always on display, but you can still enable an always on display by installing a third-party always on display app. Now, this one I've been using for several years and it's been working well for me. So if you go into the Google Play Store and then go to the search function and look for an app called Movies Edge. Just find that app called Movies Edge, this app right here, get it installed on your tablet. It's a very small app, so it should take a couple of seconds. So once it's installed, launch it. Okay. Now, this app, for some reason, does not look like it supports landscape mode, but that's fine. I'm going to work with it the way it is. So what you need to do now is give permission to draw over other apps. So you want to tap on this arrow at the bottom. And then it's going to open these settings to appear on top, this setting right here. So you want to go and enable Movies Edge. And then now you can hit the back button. It's a huge tablet. And then now you can customize your always on display. So in the bottom menu, tap on always on display. And then you can select any of these always on displays. So for instance, I'll pick that one. If you want to, you can actually go ahead and customize this specific always on display. Okay, so you can just tap on the edit button at the bottom there. You can change the clock size. So let's adjust the clock size, make it smaller. It's kind of filling the whole page. And then once you're done with everything, just tap on save, confirm, and now let's tap on apply. So for some of these always on displays, they might be free, but for the tweaks, you might have to pay. Okay. So if you don't want to pay, then you can simply go back and pick another default always on display and then tap on apply. So once you apply an always on display, now from the home screen, whenever you go to the lock screen, you should see an always on display. Okay. Now, with the paid version, you might be able to customize this always on display. You might be able to maybe rotate it so that it looks it's in landscape mode in case you like to use your tablet in landscape mode. But that's an always on display. Let's look for another one. So let's try a different one. Let's go back and pick this one, for instance, and tap on apply. There you go. So that is basically how to add an always on display to your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now, unfortunately, the free version does not have too many features. You might have to pay if you really want an always on display. Thanks for watching and good luck.